Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to chat on Janitor AI. If you're looking for a way to initiate a chat to one of the AI characters on Janitor AI, then the process is quite straightforward. Let's get started. First of all, open a web browser. Inside the URL box, type in janitorai.com and press enter on your keyboard. If you don't have a Janitor AI account yet, you will first need to create an account. Once you're signed into the account you've created, go ahead and select a character you would like to initiate a chat with. Explore the different AI characters available on the platform. You can also browse by the categories like following, favorites, trending, most popular, and much more. Also, you can use the search box at the top of the screen in order to search a specific character. Once you choose the character, click its open and scroll down to click on the chat option. Now this will open up the chat window where you can type in your messages and interact with the AI character. Before diving into the conversation, you can provide a specific start point for a conversation by typing a few sentences in a prompt box, which should be appearing at the bottom of the screen. Modify the parameters like the personality and temperature of the AI character by clicking on this menu button at the top right. Click on Generation Settings and go ahead and edit the temperature of the AI character. Once you've done that, you can now start typing in your message in the chat box at the bottom and the AI character will respond to your conversation. So that is how you can easily initiate a chat on Janitor AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.